Visit Reason module. Every time a patient visits the doctor, it's the doctor's priority and duty to maintain a record of the reason behind that particular visit. This module will help you to record the visit reason. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patients list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the Visit Reason module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Visit Reason. Click on the add icon here to enter the description of the visit reason. If the doctor feels that this particular reason could be used in a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels. Click on Save to save the information. Click on the Favorite icon here to view the favorite visit reasons stored and labels created. Click on Ellipse icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Click on Add icon to easily import the information into the module. This will enable you to reduce a lot of charting time. Before completing the health record, if the user wants to delete or edit any of the information already added, click on the Already Saved Information and click on the Trash icon to delete the details. To edit details, click on the Already Saved Information, make the required changes and click on Save.